New era of classic adventure introduction. The legend returns. Welcome to Wheelhouse, the place where we bring you the latest updates and deep dives into some of the most exciting bikes on the market today. We're talking about a motorcycle that's making waves in the industry. The 2026 Yamaha XT 500. This bike is an iconic resurrection, bridging the past with the present. In a perfect blend of nostalgia and innovation, Yamaha has always been a brand that stands for adventure, durability, and performance, and the XT500 is no exception. In this video, we'll go over the history of the XT500, what makes the 2026 version special, and how it carries the legacy forward. So let's rev up and dive in. The XT500 legacy. A brief overview before we get into the details of the 2026 model. Let's take a moment to appreciate the history of the XT500. First released in 1976, the XT500 was Yamaha's first true dual sport motorcycle, designed to handle both off-road terrain and on-road cruising. Powered by a single-cylinder 499cc engine, it quickly earned a reputation for its ruggedness and reliability, becoming a favorite among off-road enthusiasts. The XT500 played a pivotal role in defining Yamaha's adventure bike legacy, leading to the development of the famous XT series. Its design influenced the creation of later models like the XT600-660 and even the Tenere series. The bike's simplicity, ease of maintenance, and ability to tackle rough landscapes made it a staple in the world of adventure riding. But what does the 2026 version bring to the table? Let's find out what's new in the 2026 Yamaha XT500. Modern engine technology. The first and most obvious change is the engine. While the classic XT500 was powered by a carbureted 499cc single-cylinder engine, the 2026 version gets a significant upgrade. With a modern fuel-injected 500cc engine, this engine not only promises better fuel efficiency, but also improved throttle response and more consistent power delivery. The new engine is also Euro 5 compliant, making it a more eco-friendly option without sacrificing performance. Yamaha's engineers have fine-tuned the power plant to ensure that the XT500 retains that classic thump, while offering more modern reliability. The result, you get the best of both worlds. A bike that feels like the original, but performs like a new-age machine. Upgraded suspension and chassis. Another big upgrade is the suspension and chassis. The 2026 Yamaha XT500 features an updated long-travel suspension system designed for better off-road handling and improved comfort on the street. Whether you're tackling a rocky trail or cruising on a long highway, this suspension system offers more travel and better damping, ensuring the ride is smoother than ever before. Yamaha has also upgraded the frame to accommodate the new suspension, making it lighter and more rigid for improved handling. The updated chassis ensures a balanced ride, whether you're cornering on tarmac or hitting tough off-road conditions. Modern electronics and features. One of the key features of the 2026 XT500 is the integration of modern electronics. Yamaha has equipped this version with a new TFT display that provides all the essential information. At a glance, this digital dashboard is sleek, intuitive, and easy to read in any lighting condition. The new bike also comes with multiple riding modes, including a customizable option for off-road, street, and mixed conditions. This allows riders to adapt the bike's performance based on the terrain they're riding on. Whether you're tackling mud, sand, or paved roads, the XT500 ensures you have the optimal power delivery and traction for each scenario. For added safety, the 2026 XT500 also comes with ABS as a standard feature. The anti-lock braking system ensures better control in tricky, off-road conditions or wet weather, making this a bike that not only looks the part, but is designed to be practical and safe in modern riding environments. Design and aesthetic. Classic meets contemporary. Yamaha has stayed true to the original XT500's design, while adding a touch of modern flair. The 2026 XT500 retains the iconic, retro look that made the original so beloved. With its large, round headlamp, minimalistic fenders, and retro-inspired tank, the ruggedness of the bike shines through with durable finishes and an overall tough aesthetic that signals this is a bike built for adventure. The new model, however, takes things a step further with more modern touches. The updated bodywork is sleeker and more aerodynamic, helping to reduce drag and improve fuel efficiency at higher speeds. The addition of LED lighting not only gives the bike a more contemporary feel, but also improves visibility for both the rider and other road users. The color scheme options on the 2026 XT500 are inspired by the classic Yamaha dirt bikes. With a combination of matte and gloss finishes, Yamaha has also made sure the bike stays true to its roots by keeping the traditional Yamaha blue, but now with more vibrant contrasting details, riding experience, comfort, performance, and versatility. So how does the 2026 Yamaha XT500 feel on the road? The riding experience is where this bike truly shines, thanks to the modern suspension system, improved ergonomics, and updated frame. The XT500 is incredibly comfortable for long rides. Whether you're riding across dirt trails or cruising through highways, the upgraded engine gives you plenty of power to tackle steep hills and tough off-road terrain. It's not a motocross bike, but it's certainly capable of handling rough trails with ease. The single-cylinder engine offers that signature thumping sound, giving riders a visceral connection to the bike. Whether you're climbing rocks or cruising through open roads, what really sets the 2026 XT500 apart, however, is its versatility. The bike can handle a wide range of conditions, making it an ideal choice for adventure riders who don't want to be limited to just off-road or just on-road with the right tires. And a little rider skill, you can take the XT500 through deserts, forests, mountain trails, or even across long stretches of tarmac. It's the true definition of an all-rounder price and availability. As for the price, the 2026 Yamaha XT500 is positioned as an affordable adventure bike. While exact pricing will vary depending on the region and dealer, the XT500 is expected to be priced competitively. Within the dual sport category, Yamaha's goal is to make the XT500 accessible for both seasoned adventure riders and those looking to get into the world of off-road biking. With its mix of classic styling, modern tech, and unbeatable performance, the 2026 Yamaha XT500 is likely to be a popular choice for anyone seeking an adventure-ready bike without breaking the bank. Conclusion: a modern classic, the 2026 Yamaha XT500 is the perfect combination of old-school charm and modern technology. It takes everything that made the original XT500 a legend and enhances it for today's riders. With its upgraded engine, modern suspension, enhanced electronics, and classic styling, it's clear that Yamaha has put a lot of thought into creating a bike that not only honors its roots, but also looks toward the future of adventure riding. Whether you're a longtime fan of the XT series or a newcomer looking for your first dual sport bike, the 2026 Yamaha XT500 is an exciting option that promises a thrilling, versatile ride. It's more than just a tribute to the past. It's a modern adventure bike built for today's riders. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Wheelhouse for more bike reviews, deep dives, and the latest updates on all things motorcycles. Let us know what you think about the 2026 Yamaha XT500 in the comments below. Would you take this new legend for a spin? We'd love to hear your thoughts.